Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful fathers. Happy Father's Day to you all. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend and celebrating with your family and your loved ones and celebrating those awesome dads out there. I have quite a few dads and I love them all. But my favorite dad is HOA. HOA, you're such a good daddy. He really is. He's a lot nicer than I am. So HOA, I was thinking that we should kind of do a pour that you might like today. Do you have any technique suggestions that you'd like us to do?
Well, I'm kind of partial to, let's see, do you have a hot rod pour?
Probably the closest to that would be the wing pour, the wandering wing pour.
How about do you have a electric car pour?
I do not.
A lightning pour?
And I don't have an R2D2 pour.
All right, well, let's go with the wandering wing pour.
A wandering wing pour, okay.
That has a potential for some hot rod flames.
Yeah, well, we'll see. I don't know if we have a very flamey palette, but it might look cool anyway. Okay, so this is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. I have taped the back and put my push pins in, and I have painted my sides and edges. Somebody had asked me in the comments the other day why I paint the sides and edges, and the answer to that is sometimes the paints are kind of transparent and you can actually see the weave of the canvas through it, and I don't really like that very much. So usually I will paint the sides and edges so that as the paint runs over, it's actually the second layer, so there's more opacity there, so you don't see the weave of the canvas as much, you just see the paint. So that's the reason for that. All right, let's see. All right, the first color that we are using in this delicious, lovely, very kind of simple palette, but incredibly beautiful. This one is Golden's Paynes Grey. And this is one of my favorite Paynes Greys because it does have a lot of blue in it. So, and it does have gray in it, but it dries so beautiful and dark and luscious. It's not as flat as black. It's a little bit more warm than that, but it's a really beautiful color. I love this. Golden's Paynes Grey. Okay. And then with that, we are using Golden's Green Gold, which is a very interesting color on its own. Not my favorite on its own, but when you pair it with the right thing, with contrast, it becomes amazing. I love this. I mean, it works so well with blues. It's amazing. I don't know if I'd go putting it with pink or red, but it does work very well with blues. So this is the Green Gold from Golden's. My pouring medium tonight is the Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and American Floetrol and water. You can watch a video I have called Night of 1,000 Stars if you want to see how I mix that up, and I will do a whole new mixing video for you guys real soon. This one is Amsterdam Bronze, which I had a whole little love affair with bronze. I don't know if you guys remember.
First it was copper, then it was bronze.
Well, I think that's here because it dries just like Golden's iridescent copper. So, but it's not as expensive. So, this one is Titanium White from Amsterdam. And this is mostly here for contrast, so that we can create contrast among our colors. And this last one, my Happiness in a Cup, my Turquoise Pthalo from Golden. Just magnificent color. I love this. I want to just like go swimming in this. It's so pretty. Okay, so what we're going to do, now that my little weird paint obsession moment is over, sorry for that. We're going to use this awesome 5-chamber split cup from acrylicpouringtools.com. Thank you, Tracy and Chris. You guys are amazing. You can find this one at acrylicpouringtools.com. This is the 5-chamber with a handle split cup. So this is 22 ounces. They also make a big, huge one. I got to show you this. This is so funny. Oh, look at this. Big mama.
I think calling that thing a behemoth would not be
I love
exaggerating.
this. And look, HOA's got your name on there too.
I saw that.
This one is 60 ounces. And it is, I guess, available from acrylicpouringtools.com. I have not used it yet, though. I'm trying to think of what I would do that would need 60 ounces of paint. So we might have to break out one of the really big canvases, HOA. Yeah. But I just love this. Thank you so much, Tracy and Chris. You guys are hilarious and so kind. I love that. So check out their website. Lots of fun stuff on there. Okay, let's layer this. So the base coat color that I have is that turquoise. So because of that, I kind of want to put the turquoise in the center chamber. So what do I want on either end? I think I want the Paynes Grey and the green gold on the outer chambers. And then we'll put the white next to the green gold. And then the turquoise, and we'll put the bronze on this side. Okay. So that'll be good.
You're not going to put the turquoise next to the green gold?
No.
I thought that was...
No, I'm not. Prepare to be amazed. Okay, so
stole my line.
we're gonna put the green gold in here. The last pour that we did, we did the I don't know if you guys have seen that one yet. For the PourCon collab with the raffle giveaway, I was stacking my cup, which was really cool, stacking the colors in there in different orders. It was really, really neat. Okay, so now we're going to put the white next to the green gold. And I hear the kids playing with the air fryer. They're so excited. School, the last day of school is tomorrow. Hallelujah. Angels are singing. We're going to put our turquoise in the center chamber.
Yeah, I got one more wake up before summer.
More importantly, we have one more wake up before summer. Okay, let's turn this around. We're going to put our bronze in this chamber over here next to the turquoise. So notice I have my two lighter colors, the white and the bronze, acting in between the darker colors. And we're going to use the Paynes Grey on the outer chamber. So we usually shoot when they're asleep or they're not at home because they're noisy. As long as the dog doesn't start howling, we're okay.
Well, if a fire truck goes by, he's going to have to help him, so...
Okay. Let's put this over here. So, it's been a while since I did a wandering wing pour. Okay, so I'm going to need to put down a layer going across this way. All right. We have our base coat color here. This is turquoise with a tiny bit of iridescent blue-green that I had left over. So it's a smidge lighter than the turquoise we have in our cup. But I think that's going to be fine. Okay. Alright, so let's pour this about here. Okay. Alright, and we need to elevate this. Let's just take our trusty little can of paint here. I think I'm actually gonna tilt. Ooh, that's really a pretty color. Just tilt that over the edges on either side first. Put a little bit more down. So this is enabling our paint to slide nice and easy. Okay. I'm going to put this underneath here to elevate the canvas. And wipe my hands off. Alright. Alrighty. I think we're going to start like over here, HOA. Okay. Alright. Are you ready, husband of Awesomeness? Oh, wait, hold on. Are you ready, daddy of Awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Okay, here we go with our wandering wing pour. certainly different. It's cool though. Okay, thank you, little cup. Let's turn this around and put a little more base coat on the sides over here. Come down across the edge too. Let's spread some of that out just down here. Alright. Almost looks like seaweed. Alright. Let me turn this back around again. Let's see where the weight of the paint is. Here, down. Take this off this corner. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I agree.
Need kelp. Or seaweed. But I like it though.
It's very organic.
That's a good thing.
Zebra kelp.
Why you gotta be zebra? I like it. I think that's gonna dry so pretty too, because the green gold in there is gonna shimmer, and that bronze is like the perfect amount. It's not overpowering. It's not too little. It's just enough of an outline, and I love it. You can't really even see the white, but it's there. It's definitely like in here. You can see a little bit of it. We're gonna torch this. And the white is helping the colors pop, which is really awesome. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to. So those two center chambers, the smaller ones, those are for my like background player colors, you know? I don't like to put, the star of the show is not gonna go in there. It's definitely gonna go on the outer chamber or in the center. And by using the turquoise in the center, like we had the same color as our base coat, it gives us this three-dimensional illusion that it's kind of floating on top, which I really like. So, okay. All right. So let me turn this around so you guys can see it from the point of view that I think it should be looked at, with the top being closest to me. I really like this. This is awesome. You happy, HOA?
Yep.
Did we get flaminess?
No, but it's cool.
I was trying.
I know.
I love this curve over here. That's really, really pretty. And I like the movement in all of this. That's really cool. So this is awesome. Okay, I will show you guys when it is dry. Thank you again for being here with us all. Happy Father's Day to all the dads and fathers out there and people who are dadding. We appreciate you. Thanks so much for being here.